friends, welcome back to Notes and Flavors. Today, let's learn Class 4, Chapter 5 from Rim Jim. Dost ki poshak means friend's cloth. This is a funny story about two friends, Nasruddin and Jamal Sahab. So let's start and learn together. Let us start. Chapter 5 Dost ki poshak. Friend's dress. Dost means friend. पोशाक means cloth or dress. एक बार नसरुद्दीन अपने बहुत पुराने दोस्त जमाल साहब से मिले. One day, Nasruddin met his old friend Jamal Sahab. एक बार means one day or once. पुराने means old. मिले met. अपने पुराने दोस्त से मिलकर वे बड़े खुश हुए. Nasruddin became very happy after meeting his old friend. मिलकर meet after meeting. बड़े खुश means very happy. खुश happy. कुछ देर गपशप करने के बाद उन्होंने कहा. After talking for some time, he said, गपशप means talking with someone. So, he said that, चलो दोस्त, मोहल्ले में घुमाए. Come, let's see our area and come. मोहल्ले means area. Let's roam in our area and come back. He said like that. जमाल साहब ने जाने से मना कर दिया और कहा. Jamal Sahab said, no, I cannot come. He refused and said that जाने से मना means refused. अपनी इस मामूली सी पोशाक में मैं लोगों से नहीं मिल सकता. Now Jamal Sahab was saying that I'm wearing a normal dress, simple dress, so I cannot come outside with this normal, simple dress. मामूली सी पोशाक means simple, normal dress. नसरुद्दीन ने कहा. Nasruddin said, बस इतनी सी बात. Only such a small matter. Only a small thing. That's only the problem. Okay, I'll solve it. नसरुद्दीन तुरंत उनके लिए अपनी एक भड़कीली अचकन निकाल कर लाए और कहा. Nasruddin immediately bought Nasruddin's cloth, one colorful coat. Bhatkili achkan means colorful cloth. Bhatkili means colorful, bright. So he gave that to Jamal Sahab to wear that. इसे पहन लो. Wear this. इसमें तुम खूब अच्छे लगोगे. You will be very nice in this. खूब अच्छे means very, very good. सब देखते रह जाएंगे. Everyone will look at you because you are wearing such a beautiful, colorful, bright dress. बंठन कर दोनों घूमने निकले. After he wore the dress, they went out. Banthankar means after getting ready, all they dressed up ready, everything ready, then they went out. Ghumne means roam. दोस्त को लेकर नसरुद्दीन पड़ोसी के घर गए. Now Nasruddin took Jamal Sahab to one neighbor. पड़ोसी means neighbor. नसरुद्दीन ने पड़ोसी से कहा. Nasruddin said to that neighbor that ये है मेरे खास दोस्त जमाल साहब. This is my very special friend, Jamal Sahab. So Nasruddin was telling who is this. So he told that this is my special friend Jamal Sahab. Khas dost means special friend. Khas means special. आज कई सालों बाद इनसे मुलाकात हुई है. After a long time, I'm meeting him today. कई सालों बाद means after a long time I'm meeting. वैसे जो अचकन इन्होंने पहन रखी है वह मेरी है. Now what Nasruddin said? Let's see. Like he said that what cloth he is wearing, that is my cloth. That's not his clothes, it's my cloth, what he's wearing. आजकल इन्होंने पहन रखी है means what he's wearing. यह सुनकर जमाल साहब पर तो मानो घड़ों पानी पड़ गया. Now Jamal Sahab became very angry because he told that this is my dress what he is wearing. So Jamal Sahab got very angry with Nasruddin. Sunkar means after listening. Mano gado pani means very angry, upset, like that. बाहर निकलते ही मुंह बनाकर उन्होंने नसरुद्दीन से कहा. He went out and took Nasruddin with him and he said, he made a face. We'll make like a face like this. So he made a face and he told. मुंह बनाकर means after making a face. तुम्हारी कैसे अकल है? What sense do you have? Don't you have sense? अकल means sense. क्या यह बताना जरूरी था कि यह अचकन तुम्हारी है? Was it important to tell that this coat is yours? यह जरूरी means important. तुम्हारा पड़ोसी सोच रहा होगा कि मेरे पास अपने कपड़े ही है नहीं है. Now Jamal Sahab said that your neighbor will think that I don't have any cloth. That's why I'm wearing your cloth. He'll think like that. अपने कपड़े ही नहीं means अपने कपड़े ही है ही नहीं means I don't have my own cloth, my own dress. नसरुद्दीन ने माफी मांगते हुए कहा. Nasruddin said sorry to Jamal Sahab and said, माफी मांगते means sorry. Sorry, he said. गलती हो गई. I did a mistake. Okay. I'm telling that I did a mistake. अब ऐसा नहीं कहूंगा. Next, I'll not tell like this. I'll not tell. नहीं कहूंगा means not tell. I'll not tell. गलती means mistake. अब नसरुद्दीन उन्हें हुसैन साहब से मिलवाने ले गए. Now Nasruddin took his friend to Hussain Sahab's house. Hussain Sahab was another neighbor. हुसैन साहब ने गर्मजोशी से उनका स्वागत सत्कार किया. Hussain Sahab warmly welcomed them. Garmajoshi means warmly. Swagat Satkar means welcomed. जब जमाल साहब के बारे में पूछा तो नसरुद्दीन ने कहा. When Hussain Sahab asked about Jamal Sahab that who is this? Like, I have not seen him. So, can you tell who is this? He asked like that. Then Nasruddin said that के बारे में means about. जमाल साहब मेरे पुराने दोस्त है. Jamal Sahab is my old friend. He introduced that this is my friend Jamal Sahab and he is my very old friend. पुराने दोस्त means मेरे पुराने दोस्त है. He is my old friend, like that he said. And now what he said? और इन्होंने जो अचकन पहनी है वह इनकी अपनी ही है. Now Nasruddin said that, and this cloth what he is wearing, that is his own only. It's not mine. It's his own. His own. इनकी अपनी है means it's his own. It's not mine. It's his own. जमाल साहब फिर नाराज हो गए. Jamal Sahab again got very angry. नाराज means upset or angry. बाहर आकर बोले. He took him outside. झूठ बोलने को किसने कहा था तुमसे? Who told you to lie? क्यों? Why? What happened? Nasruddin ने कहा. Nasruddin said, what happened? What you? Like, what happened to you? तुमने जैसे चाहा मैंने वैसा ही तो कहा. I said what you said. You said that like what is important? Was it important to tell that this was your dress? So you told like that? I told like this is your dress, it's not mine. What is there a mistake in that? पोशाक की बात कहे बिना काम नहीं चलता क्या? Can't you talk anything without mentioning about my dress? Without mentioning about this dress? Can't you talk anything else? पोशाक की बात means the cloth, like about the cloth. This is that cloth. About this cloth, like can't you tell anything without mentioning about this cloth? इनके बारे में ना कहनी ही अच्छा है. It's better that like you should not talk about this. It's better that don't talk about this. अच्छा है means better. जमाल साहब ने समझाया. He told. जमाल साहब told. जमाल साहब को लेकर नसरुद्दीन आगे बढ़े. Now, okay, Nasruddin took Jamal Sahab and went. तभी एक अन्य पड़ोसी मिल गए. Now, he met an other neighbor. अन्य पड़ोसी means अन्य पड़ोसी. अन्य पड़ोसी means another neighbor. अन्य means another. नसरुद्दीन ने जमाल साहब का परिचय उनसे करवाया. Jamal Sahab told about Nasruddin told about Jamal Sahab. Nasruddin told about Jamal Sahab that मैं आपका परिचय अपने पुराने दोस्त से करवा दूं. I like to introduce my old friend Jamal Sahab. परिचय means introduce. ये है जमाल साहब. This is जमाल साहब. और इन्होंने जो अचकन पहनी है उसके बारे में मैं चुप ही रहूं तो अच्छा है. Now what he said that, and what he is wearing, this is Jamal Sahab, and what he is wearing, that about that cloth I'm not talking. That is better. I'm not talking anything. I'll be quiet. That's better. Chup hi rahu means I'll be quiet. Shh, chup. I'll be quiet. So now we have completed the chapter Dost Ki Poshak. Next week I will be with the next chapter. Till that, bye bye friends.